Another long day, and the evening stretches out, feeling a bit uninspired. But then a thought sparks bright. Why not learn something new? A challenge, a journey. Tonight, I begin my German adventure. First, the building blocks. New words, writing them down, making connections, one by one. Then, immersing myself in the sounds, listening to native speakers, letting the rhythm of the language sink in, practicing pronunciation, even if it feels a little silly at first. Each sound, a step closer to fluency. The learning process is dynamic, a constant flow of new information. Grammar rules, sentence structures, all coming together. Sometimes it's tough, but with every small breakthrough, the motivation grows stronger. Understanding clicks into place. Finally, the book closes. A sense of accomplishment washes over me. The effort was truly worth it. Looking out at the night sky, a new language opens up a world of possibilities. What will you learn next?